Salinas now being loaded, set, ready for racing, race number 6. Racing just is started. Let's kiss and say goodbye. Break quickly to start. And on the outside, Salinas, Doña Nicasha between horses. Then next on line is Sobrang Class, Chicks to Chicks. Then followed by Time of My Life. Next on line is Moon Laser, while Real Excellent is the only trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, JTZ on Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye says why we followed. If we can take the lead, rushing about the outside is Doña Nicasha. Chicks to Chicks is racing in third, and in fourth comes Time of My Life, Sobrang Class, Moon Laser, Salinas, while Real Excellent is still in last. And at the fourth turn, we have Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye. Doña Nicasha is on the outside. Time of My Life now trying to get closer into Chicks to Chicks, Moon Laser. Then comes Sobrang Class, Salinas, while Real Excellent is still racing in last. And as they swing for room, Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye, whirling getting up. Doña Nicasha, Time of My Life now moving upon the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye, followed by Doña Nicasha, Time of My Life, and finally Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye. Time of My Life, Doña Nicasha, Chicks to Chicks, Moon Laser, Salinas, Sobrang Class, Real Excellent.
Okay, Bayan Karalista, your unofficial winner for this race number 6, none other than entry number 6, that's Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye, the favorite for this race with JT Zarate. Second po dito, numero 1, Time of My Life, numero 7, Doña Nicasha, 3, Chicks to Chicks. Yan po ang aking narinig. Nabitin tayo sa ating